Hi everyone, welcome to Cypress tutorial. Today in this tutorial we will learn how to use back and forward commands in Cypress to navigate between web pages, just like we use browser back and forward buttons. So let's begin. Open Chrome browser and here you can view. If click on this contact, we can click on this back button and we can click on this forward button. I will show you how you can click on back and forward button by using Cypress. Create a new test file, right click on E2E, new file, and then enter the file name here, back underscore forward dot sci dot s. First, define the reference type here. Reference types is equal to Cypress. Now, define describe here. Describe forward underscore back and then enter the callback function here. Inside this block, we will create a test case. It forward underscore back, comma, and then callback function. First, we need to navigate to URL. So first, we will navigate to this URL. Copy this complete URL. Open VS Code and enter here site.visit. Navigate to the URL. Enter URL. After navigating to URL, we need to click on this contact. Then we can perform the back action. So we can locate this element, right click on contact. We can use contains contact. Sly dot contains dot click. We need to click on this. So here we will use click method. Let's run the test and see what happens. Right click here, format document, npx, Cypress, open. Now Cypress is opening. Then we will use the forward and back commands. Maximize the window. Now we need to click on E2E testing, click on configured, click on start E2E testing in Chrome. Now select the file. As you can view, the file name is back underscore forward. Click on this file name. Now test is running. First it will navigate to the URL and then click on the contact. Test is running. Navigate to the URL. First navigate to the URL and then click on contact. Navigate to the URL and then click on contact. Now we can perform back and forward. As you can view, after clicking on this contact, we can click on this back. Open VS Code and enter here go back and add some weight here after clicking on the back button. For better understanding, we need to add the weight here, size dot wait 2000 millisecond. Let's run the test, save the file, and Cypress will automatically run the test. Click on contact and then click on back. As you can view, wait 2000 millisecond. Same as well, we can click on the forward. Here we need to enter size dot go and then forward. After clicking on the forward button, add some wait here, side dot wait 2000 millisecond wait. Let's again run the test and see what happens. Navigate to the URL, click on contact and then click on back and then click on forward button. 200 millisecond. We can click on back button by using -1 and then enter here 1 for forward. Now, first it will navigate to the URL, click on the contact and then click on back button. It will wait for 2000 millisecond. After wait, it will click on the forward button. Let's again run the test. Test is running. First navigate to the URL, click on contact and then click on back. After back, it will click on the back forward button. As you can view, the contact page is open. I hope this video help you understand how to use back and forward navigation in Cypress. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to SK World for more Cypress and automation testing tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.